Warning! This video will help you learn about digital marketing and why Bombay Marketer is the best digital marketing platform for web development. This video will blow your mind. In today's digital age, web development is more crucial than ever before. From establishing an online presence to driving sales and engagement, the significance of a well-crafted website cannot be overstated. And Bombay Marketer is the solution for all your digital services. We are on a mission to build a better future where technology creates good jobs for everyone. However, not all websites are created equal. In a sea of digital noise, standing out requires expertise, innovation, and the right tools. 3 to 4 people develop the website of Bombay Marketer, and it costs around 2000 USD because of the absence of a trained developer. So, Bombay Marketer know our suffering before getting a perfect website for ourselves. This gives an assurance that the website will be free of lag. That's where our digital marketing platform comes in. Built on a foundation of cutting-edge web development techniques, we empower businesses to thrive in the digital landscape. Under web development, we have 3 categories: basic, medium, and professional. We use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript is the word that speaks basic. Medium is where HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP are used. However, in the case of professional, as the word suggests, the website will be professional with no lag. We use HTML, CSS, PHP, Python, JavaScript, Java, Ruby, and Swift for professional web development. With our platform, creating a stunning website is not just easy, it's exhilarating. Say goodbye to clunky interfaces and hello to intuitive design tools that put the power of creativity in your hands. But don't just take our words for it. Hear from businesses like yours who have experienced firsthand the transformative power of our digital marketing platform. And it doesn't stop there. With compressing analytics and reporting, you will gain invaluable insights into your website's performance, allowing you to make data-driven decisions that drive results. Join the rank of thriving businesses who have unlocked the full potential of web development with our digital marketing platform. Take the first step towards digital success today. We focus on clients' requirement and service rather than profit. Bombay Marketer doesn't only provide web development service, but other services like digital marketing, search engine optimization, SMS service, and social media marketing. First, digital marketing is like promoting a product or service online using various strategies and channels. For instance, imagine you are a small bakery wanting to attract more customers. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to showcase your delicious pastries. Run targeted ads to reach people in your local area and offer online ordering through your website to make it convenient for customers to purchase from you. This way, you leverage digital tools to expand your reach and grow your business. Second, let's say you have a blog where you share healthy recipes and you want more people to discover them when they search for terms like easy vegan dinner ideas on Google. Implementing SEO techniques involve optimizing your blog posts with relevant keywords, improving the readability and structure of your content, building backlinks from reputable websites, and ensuring your website loads quickly. Doing so increases the likelihood that your blog posts will rank higher in search engine result pages, making it easier for people interested in vegan recipes to find and visit your blog. Third, SMS is a communication tool that allow businesses to send text messages directly to customers' mobile phones. For example, imagine you are a clothing retailer promoting a weekend sales. You can use an SMS service to send a message to your subscribers, informing them about the sale and providing a discount code to use at checkout. This direct communication helps you to reach customer quickly and effectively, increases their chance to taking advantage of your promotion. Fourth, social media marketing involves using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive engagement and sales. For instance, consider a fashion brand launching a new line of clothing. They might create visually appealing posts showcasing their latest designs and trends, using popular hashtags and relevant captions to reach their target audience. Additionally, they could collaborate with influencers in the fashion niche to promote their products to a wider audience. By engaging with followers through comments, likes, and shares, the brand can foster community and loyalty among its customers while increasing exposure and driving traffic to its online store. All these services are available at one single click at Bombay Marketer. Don't wait for the right time. Now is the time to get services and enjoy the work.
Recently, Google came up its own AI tool called Gemini.
This tool is an artificial intelligence chatbot designed by the Google to simulate human conversations using natural language processing and machine learning. In addition to supplementing Google search, it can be integrated into website, messaging platforms, or applications to provide realistic natural language responses to user questions. After introducing this tool, many recognized digital marketing agencies face loss as they use AI content on their website. But the number of Bombay marketers is increasing day by day. Our reach is increasing as our USP is the unique content on our website. So without any delay, choose Bombay Marketer on any day. Bombay Marketer is different because we charge a reasonable amount and the services is beyond our thoughts at such a reasonable price. We assure you the services and you will never regret our services.